In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to arrow in Rocket League on a controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about learning arrowing in Rocket League. I'm gonna be teaching you how to use your controller, how to set up the keybinds, and keep in mind that this is going to be a very basic introduction into arrow. There are a lot of mechanics to learn, and I am not super great in all of them, but I still wanted to give you an introductory video to get you set up to arrow. So to start, go over to the settings, access the controls, and then view or change keybinds. In here, you will be able to find arrow right and arrow left. These are extremely important bindings. You will be able to set them up however you prefer. On my controller, I set them up as the right bumper and the left bumper, but you can take your time, carefully think about this, and look at other community presets. Now, to start, I recommend going up into the air, boosting, and just practicing staying up here. You will be able to arrow by using the joystick at the left, so as you can see, by turning the joystick, I'm able to throw my car into all sorts of directions depending on how I aim it, and by using the left bumper and the right bumper, my car will rotate. So if I just keep holding the right bumper, you can clearly notice that it just keeps rotating and rotating. If I do the same thing with the opposite button, then it's just going to rotate in that opposite direction. For you to arrow, you will have to do a combination of boosting while in the air, while also using the left bumper and the right bumper. You will be able to gain control of your car in the air and essentially cross the entirety of the field. Now, there are a lot of tricks that you can do with this, but like I mentioned, I am not the best, and I simply wanted to give you a very basic introduction into the binds, where to find them, and how this mechanic actually works. But to keep it simple, go over to the keybinds, change the left and right arrow, and you will be able to practice them by using the joystick and the left bumper and the right bumper, or any other keybinds that you set those buttons to. I hope I was able to help you on how to use arrow in Rocket League on a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.